Hey guys, good morning. My name is Ishan Khatri. I'm the product planning manager here at Mini USA, and I'm here to present to you the Mini John Cooper Works Hardtop Nights Edition. This happens to be the North American debut of this specific edition. We only have 150 units of these cars that are going to be making their way over to the US. So let me just walk you around this car and let you know what makes it so special. So as you can see, we went for a very aggressive masculine experience in this car anyway. We have a midnight black metallic paint on the body, and we have a melting silver roof and mirror caps over here. Locally, we work with our after-sales colleagues to develop these melting silver stripes, and the way that we've had the bonnet scoop painted in the same color, it accentuates the appeal of the car and of course makes the power dome a little more prominent.
Perfect.
Standard with all John Cooper Works models here in the US are the full LED headlights with cornering lights, of course. We make our way to the sides. As you can see, we've carried on the whole blacked out theme on the side as well. We have 17-inch wheels on run flat tires with the brakes. I don't know if you remember, these are the big 4-pot calipers specifically for the John Cooper Works. We have piano black door handles, piano black fuel filler cap. We move our way to the back. Standard on all Minis as of model year 19 with the LED headlights. You get these really cool Union Jack taillights on it as well, just to of course arc to our British heritage of the brand itself. For the first time ever on a Mini, we have black Mini logos, which we've never had on any car prior to this. One of the coolest features about this car over here is we have a performance exhaust kit. It comes with a really cool Bluetooth remote control. You click the remote control twice, it opens up a flap on the right-hand side exhaust, and the car sounds absolutely phenomenal. The price for this car is yet to be announced. We assume that we're going to be making an announcement soon after the show. Once again, like I said, 150 units only for the US. Expect another showroom near you.